Candid, New Trends in Social Studies. 4. Lesson 1. India, our country. Our country, India, is a vast country located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. In terms of area, India is the 7th largest country in the world. According to population, India is the 2nd largest country. China ranks 1st in population. Size of India. India stretches for about 3,214 kilometers from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Its breadth from Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east is 2,933 kilometers. Only 6 countries in the world are larger in size than India. In order of their areas, they are Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil, and Australia. Neighboring countries of India. The countries sharing their land border with India: Northwest, Pakistan and Afghanistan. North, China, Nepal and Bhutan. East, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Neighbors across the sea in the south, Sri Lanka and Maldives. States and Union Territories. India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. The smallest state is Goa. Physical divisions of India. On the basis of physical features, India can be divided into following physical divisions: the Northern Mountains, the Northern Plains, the Western Desert, the Southern Plateau, the coastal plains and the islands. The huge Himalayan mountains separate India from much of the rest of Asia. They also protect India from chilling cold winds. India has a long coastline because southern India is surrounded by sea on 3 sides and is a peninsula. Width of India tapers down as we move south. It is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal along the east coast. It is surrounded by the Arabian Sea along the west coast. It is surrounded by the Indian Ocean in the south.